A solar farm project in Buffalo Township has residents concerned about the environmental impact.
That may seem strange because solar power is a form of renewable energy. Residents say they're angry, though, because developers clear-cut about 1,000 trees on the property. As Molly Rosenblatt explains, there's more to the story than that.
Scattered limbs and trunks line the property of this Buffalo plot of land, one of which residents say is a 200-year-old oak tree.
Theoretically, we're going green when we go solar. Cutting down 6 to 8 acres of woods and all that prime hardwood is not going green.
Now, because Minnesota state law gives Public Utilities Commission regulators full control over big solar projects, there's nothing Buffalo Township residents can do about what's happening in their own backyard.
Government starts in your backyard. It starts right here. This is as close as you can get to the grassroots form of government. And we've lost that control. It's like we don't matter.
It's a problem happening all across Wright County. Dwayne Bauman is the supervisor chairman of Franklin Township, where they've already placed a moratorium on solar plans to try to slow down development.
A lot of these things came out so fast and so quick and so hard, we had no idea what was involved and how much of it.
And it's not just about losing trees, it's about losing agricultural land too. Bauman says the International Solar Company is buying up vital farmland for almost double the price.
Some of what we heard was they were bragging about this is the best prime ag land in Wright County. I don't think that's a good spot for solar fields. So there is a lot of concern. We're basically saying, don't even approach us for good prime ag land. We need that land for the farmers and for the crops and for the cattle. You know, ag land was designed and should be used for growing things and raising things.
Molly says that Wright County representatives plan to talk about other options for another moratorium on solar farms, and that'll happen at next Tuesday's board meeting.